Welcome to the Vestavia Hills High School 2019-2020 course selection process. We are hopeful that the change to an online platform for submitting your course request will be a more efficient process for you. Your counselor will still meet with you individually about your course request and help you complete your four-year plan. To access all course selection info that you will need, please start at the high school homepage. From there, make sure that you click on the quick link, Course Selection. A few quick notes before we get started. Note that registration for summer school will begin on March the 18th. Also note that the only summer school courses that will be offered this year are driver's ed and health. Specifically for rising 11th and 12th grade students, if you are interested in participating in co-op, make sure to click on this link at the bottom of the page for more information. Also, for rising seniors, if you have yet to complete the Career Prep B credit, note that you do not have to register for the Career Prep B course because Career Prep B will be embedded in your economics class. Make sure to use the helpful hints pages for each grade level to inform your course selection process further. We'll now walk you through the steps to enter your course request into iNow for scheduling purposes as well as in your course selection Google form. We will start by entering your course request into iNow. So from the home page of the high school website, click on the Chalkable link under Quick Links. Use your username and password to log in. If you've forgotten your username and password, make sure to see Ms. Nelson in the front office to help get it reset. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, change the school or academic session to 2019-2020, which is next school year. If that doesn't appear for you, go to step number 3 and continue. Once you're on this page, on the left side of the screen, click Requests. Now on the right side of the screen, click the Add button or the plus sign. Now, the most important thing to remember is that under school category, you select the grade level that you will be in next year. So for example, if you are going into 11th grade, make sure that you choose 11th grade. Click Search, and the list of courses available for your grade level will be shown. Click in the box next to each course that you would like to request. There's no need to include your alternate electives here. These will only be included in your Google form. Note that there is also no place for you to select a lunch in this area. You will automatically be added to a lunch when the master schedule is created. At the bottom right of the screen, click the Add or OK button. If you've selected the wrong course, simply check the box and click Delete. Just like that. When you are done adding your courses, log out. To complete your course selection Google form, start on the high school website and make your way to this course selection page. On the course selection page, find the appropriate grade level for next year. For example, if you're going into 11th grade, make sure to choose the 11th grade course card. Click on the course card link under your grade level. Know that you must be logged in to your school email account in order to access the form. Follow the instructions on each page and complete your course request. Make sure that your choices match your course request in iNow. Make sure that you complete 3 alternate electives as well. On the last page, if you're planning to try out for a team or a group, make sure to include that. Make sure that you also include the class or the elective that you would like to drop if you are selected for the team or group that you're trying out for. Finally, make sure that if you are taking a summer school class, remember that that could only be driver's ed or health. Make sure that you fill in the blank for summer school. If you or your parents have any questions or comments in regards to your course request, make sure that you fill in the blank to include your questions. Your counselor will talk to you about these during your individual session. Make sure to click Submit at the end of the form. You will receive a copy of your request to your school email. Make sure you complete this process by February the 8th.